The pneumatic air filter should be replaced if damaged or dirty, or replaced as part of an annual service. The pneumatic isolator and filter are located on the right of the machine. Isolate the machine from the compressed air supply by turning the pneumatic isolator 90 degrees clockwise and allow pressurized air to discharge. You can lock the isolator off with a padlock. Remove the drain pipe by pushing the bottom of the push-fit connection and pulling down on the pipe. Remove the chamber by twisting anti-clockwise. Check the bowl for signs of water or oil coming through the pneumatic supply and highlight any issues to the maintenance manager, as the machine may not be receiving the required air quality from the compressor. Remove the filter by twisting anti-clockwise. Check inside and outside of the filter for signs of excessive dirt or debris, and highlight issues to the maintenance manager to check compressor air quality. Fit the new filter to the machine, tightening clockwise. If there is excessive water or oil inside the bowl, or if there is water in the bowl not draining away, the auto drain unit should be replaced. Hold the body of the auto drain unit from inside the bowl. Loosen the plastic nut. Remove the nut and remove the auto drain units from the bowl. Use a paper towel or tissue to clean the inside of the bowl. Take the new auto drain unit and fit to the air filter bowl, securing with a plastic nut. Refit the chamber to the machine, tightening clockwise. Refit the drain pipe by pushing the pipe into the push connector. Remove the padlock and turn the isolator 90 degrees anti-clockwise to repressurize the machine. Thank you for listening.